Pelly-Nisutlin is an electoral district which returns a member to the Legislative Assembly of the Yukon Territory in Canada. It was created in 2002 out of the districts of Faro and Ross River Southern Lakes. The riding includes the communities of Teslin, Faro, Ross River, Little Salmon, and Johnson's Crossing. It encompasses the traditional territory of the Teslin Tlingit Council and the Ross River Dena Council of the Kaska Dena. Pelly-Nisutlin is bordered by the rural ridings of Mayo-Tatchun, Lake Laberge, Mount Lorne-Southern Lakes, and Watson Lake. The current MLA is Stacey Hassard, interim leader of the opposition Yukon Party. He was first elected on October 11, 2011. It was formerly represented by his brother, Dean Hassard, also of the Yukon Party, from 2002 to 2006. The riding is considered a Yukon Party stronghold.